Hi everybody, this is Miss Lorena and this is my friend Lama. Mr. Lama, how are you today? Hi! Say hi to everybody. Hi kids! Today we are going to listen to the story of Clifford. Clifford, the big red, like my red blouse, dog. Woof, 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 woof. By Norma Bridwell. What do you think? Do you think you're gonna like it, Mr. Lama? Yeah, I'm gonna like it. Okay, great. So let's start with our story. Ready? I'm Emily Elizabeth, and I have a dog. This is Emily Elizabeth. My dog is a big red dog. Other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big dogs and some are red dogs. But I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. Uh-oh. This this is my dog, Clifford. Clifford is the name. We have fun together. We play games. Do you play games, Mr. Lama? Yeah. Okay. I throw a stick. I throw a stick. And he brings it back to me. He makes mistakes sometimes. Oh, it's a different stick. See? We played hide and seek. 1, 2, 3, 4. She's counting and he is hiding. I'm a good hide and seek player. I can find Clifford. Look at Clifford. I see Clifford. No matter where he hides. Look at Clifford. We play camping out. I don't need a tent. Look, Clifford looks like a tent for camping. This is the bed and the sausage. He can do tricks too. He can sit up and beg. Sit up and like this. Sit up and beg. That's his trick. Oh, I know. He is not perfect. He has some bad habits. Bad habits. Oh no! He runs after cars. Look at the car. He gets the car. He catches. Look at the person. Not happy. He runs after cats. Meow, meow. Too. We don't go to the zoo anymore. Look at the lion. The lion is scared. Yes. Oh no, he digs up flowers. Dig. This is to dig. But these are big trees. Next one. Clifford, loves to chew. That is to chew. Shoes. Look, the shoe. See? It's a shoe repair. And it's not easy to keep Clifford. He eats. He eats and drinks. Look, 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 look. A lot. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cupcakes. Or cakes, maybe. And tea and coffee. A lot. His house was a problem. Look at the house. This is the house. Emily Elizabeth's house, Clifford's house. Look. But he is a very good watchdog. Look. He's trying to take the money, but Clifford is looking. Okay. The bad boys don't come around anymore. Bad boys. One day, I gave Clifford a bath. A bath. Okay. This is the swimming pool. The swimming pool. See? It's a big dog. So she's giving him a bath in the swimming pool. And combed his hair. This is to comb the hair, but here and took him to a dog show, a competition. Look. I'd like to say Clifford won the first prize, but he didn't. The first prize, number 1, the winner, yeah, Clifford. Number 2, prize. And this doggy, number 3. Wing. Look at the doggies. Wow. I don't care. You can keep all your small dogs. You can keep all your black, white, brown, and spotted. This is a spotted dog. Spotted dogs. I will keep Clifford. Yeah, she loves Clifford, wouldn't you? The end. All right. So, Mr. Llama, did you like the story? Yeah, I love the story. Great. I loved it too. I love Clifford. Clifford is a special dog. He's a big and red dog. Woof, 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 woof. Okay. Thank you. See you next class. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye bye.